Hi my friends, today we model this part with some interesting features, and here is the drawing. We start by creating this S shape. Then we make this sketch and we'll apply sweep. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, this plane, not XY, and we start by drawing that contour. We go somewhere here, press the left button, go here, tangent is this. Once again, press the left button and go to the right. Then finish here. You see we don't have a sign of tangency, so that we apply manually. This is 40, this is 155, radius 35, radius 30, dimensions in the drawing, of course. Then another dimension, this end and the center point to be 110, and 90 is the last. Okay, we have a first sketch. I hide the dimensions to be more visible. We continue with the plane XY. This is the center point, and this means that we don't need to project it on this sketch. Let's draw that contour line by line, trying to make something similar with the drawing. Okay, you see, these are together. Okay, equal is this with this, and this with this. Dimensions 30, 45, 20, and 7. Two dimensions needed. It is the coincidence between the center of this area with the center point. To do this, we make something interesting. We draw a diagonal, we make it construction, and we place coincident the midpoint of this diagonal with the center point. Good. Finish sketch and sweep. You see? Okay. Now we create this cylinder. Bottom is this 50 and diameter of 50. Take care that there is a face here. Okay. We turn back the part. We draw a circle with diameter of 50. Then we project this area to draw a line between this point and this point. Yellow means that they are fixed. I cannot move this line, you see. To have everything at our disposition, we make this construction. Then extrude only this without that sector. The other direction, join 50. Next is this flange. Dimensions here 90, radius 11, and 45, which is 45 also for this. We create a new sketch on this face. We project these two lines. We draw a line from that corner to here. Press the left button, go on the same vertical you see is the end. Then go here. Tangent between the two, equal for these two, and dimensions, but let me draw another line from midpoint to midpoint here. Dimensions, this is 90 divided by 2, and 11. Dimensions in the drawing 90. I want to mention 90 is in the drawing. Finish sketch. The thickness is 10. Extrude on 10 millimeters. Okay. You see here this dimension of 10. We continue with creating this cut and the hole, and then we'll apply mirror. Take care of this 4 millimeters, take care of this radius 22, and the holes of metric 14. We select this face, new sketch, project, then a circle with diameter of double 22, or applying radius of 22 from the drawing. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction on 4 millimeters, a cut. Okay. Then a hole placed on this face with this center, and 14 is the thread. Full depth. Yes. Okay. Now we can apply mirror. Mirror is here for this hole, this extrusion, and the plane to mirror is this. Okay. We continue with this hole 38 on 42. Hole, this face, this center, not threaded, with dimension, but flat end, and we apply the depth of 42 and diameter of 38. Okay. Another feature is this cylinder, 35, 20, hole of metric 12. We create a new plane based on this and at a distance of 35. Draw. Then we place a circle somewhere here, diameter of 20 on the same vertical is this, horizontal is this, on the same vertical here, and 26 is the distance to the bottom. Finish sketch, extrude to the part. Okay. We hide this and we take a look to have no extension inside. Then the other hole, this face, this center, threaded, isometric profile 12, and we select 2 because we want to stop that hole to this face. Okay. Now we can verify the volume. Right click, eye properties, physical, update, and select this number, copy, drawing, double click, and the new value is the same. Cancel. We keep the previous value. The material is steel cast. The aspect is steel cast. We select some faces to be machined. This one, keep pressed the shift button and select also this, and eventually also this to be still polished. We change the default IBL to default lights. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.